Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson.
Little. Little, big, little, little, big, little. So we get to keep that going. Little, big, little. But it's getting like, if you notice, this is larger than that one right there, right? So it gets a little bit bigger as it's gonna go into the water. So little, big, little. Don't forget to subscribe when you subscribe, it lets you know when I post a new video. And I'm going to be posting lots and lots of videos on Godzilla, lots of Among Us, lots of every cartoon you can imagine. But definitely do that if you can, or basically if it's good for you too. So right here, I'm going to have a little bit of his tail coming from the water, and it's going to go out the screen. So I'm going to draw, see, remember this for the water here? I'm going to put that over here on this side. So right here, I'm going to do the same thing, this curl here from the water. And I'm also going to flatten this out for his tail. See, so this line of him. Simplistic way to draw buildings. If there's something you want to draw, let me know. I'm drawing a lot of Godzilla lately. I'm drawing a lot of Among Us and Godzilla. Like I said, let me know and I'll really make it happen. Let me see, what could we do here to add on? That's pretty much it. If you want, you can throw a thicker line around the character, which is what I do a lot of. Right here, I'm throwing a little bit of a thicker line around the character just because it does tend to make things easier. To kind of read at least as a picture, that makes things a little bit easier. You don't have to throw it all the way around. I could do it like that so it separates him out from the city that he's attacking. You could also fill in this entire city right here in black, like with this. You could fill that in. I'm not going to do that here, but you could totally do that. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Share the video if you enjoyed it. Go on to the next video. The next video is also very similar. You can always do like 5 of these a day and you can have like so much going on. So thank you so much. I will see you next time.